190. Can you put me out on Whitethorn? I got flagged down.
Hey,
Hey, did you call in?
yes, I did.
Where'd the guy go?
Well, I was ready to confront him. He was standing right here the last time I seen him, just about 5 minutes ago.
All right.
He was jumping up and down, twirling. Looked like he was out of his mind. Maybe on drugs or
probably high.
mentally.
White guy, black guy?
He looked black.
Okay.
Dark skin.
Okay.
Had a toboggan, a gigantic backpack on his back, all dark clothing. He walked all around here, and I told him I was going to call the cops if he didn't leave. And he went over
Was
there.
he screaming or anything?
5 minutes or so.
Was he screaming or anything?
Yes.
I think I can hear him a little bit. Which way did he go? Do you know?
Well, I lost track of him.
Okay.
All
right. I'm gonna
pick the phone up.
I'm gonna do a couple laps around, see if I can spot him.
It looks like he might need some help or something. And
I'll get him taken care of if I find
I'd
him.
watch so.
I've been doing this a little while.
Okay.
Take care, man. Of course, I wasn't too far away.
I was afraid to come out this back door to go to breakfast.
Yeah, I think he's down here. I'll go see if I can grab him.
On October the 17th, 2022, at approximately 8:39 a.m., officers with the Columbus Division of Police responded to a call on Whitethorn Avenue. The caller stated there was a stranger in his backyard acting crazy. The officer responded to scene, spoke to the caller, then located the individual in question. The officer had a long conversation with this man to determine whether or not he should be forced into medical treatment. I'll let the video show the rest of the story. With all that being said, I hope you enjoy today's video. I hope you learned something, and I'll talk to you soon.
Good morning. How you doing, buddy? Oh, not much. Can you put those sticks down for me?
Yeah. What?
Oh, just someone call. I just wanted to talk to you. You live over here with your mom?
No.
No? I was trying to recognize you. Where do you stay, man?
On Chase, man.
On Chase?
On the streets.
On the streets?
Yes, man.
Okay. What are you doing out here?
Just having fun.
Yeah, it looks like you're having a good time.
Yeah, man. Ain't nobody doing nothing wrong, man. It's nothing illegal.
I know you're dancing around, jumping up and down, yelling.
Yeah, ain't nobody saying about that, man. It's
people cold.
Life, man. You can't get in no trouble for that, man.
Well,
you know that?
I was just trying to make sure that you're in the right state of mind to be out here.
I mean, I definitely know who I am. I don't care about the president, but yeah, I know who I am.
You don't care about them. You know all the normal questions.
Yeah, I know everything.
All right. Give me one second.
You know what I'm saying?
No,
people
but
always try to have a problem. They always try to stop you.
No, but it's also, you were in somebody's yard. You were in somebody's yard, though.
I went into my yard. I was right here.
You were
on
up
the
there
alley the whole time.
You're up there in someone's yard. What's your name, bud?
Well, yeah, I know him though.
Well, he said he didn't know you.
No, it wasn't a dude. It was a girl.
There was a dude. What's your name, bud?
Armand.
Armand?
I wanted nobody to dude.
Yeah, it's some older white guy.
No, it was my friend who was sitting out there.
Armand, what's your last name?
Who was just acting stupid.
What's your last name, Armand?
Glover.
What is it?
Glover.
Glover? I know I've talked to you before.
I went down there. He's just sitting dude.
What's your birthday, Armand?
He just made that. I've been down here the whole time.
Does your mom live around here?
Man, I don't give a fuck about that bitch.
I know, but that's why I recognize you, because I took you home one time. She lives right over here, or on Midland or something.
She lives around this one. Yeah.
Man,
we don't get along, I guess.
Yeah, she wasn't very happy when I dropped you off, but she was at least nice enough to take you in.
192.
What's where have you been staying? You have a tent you normally hang out in, or you just crash at like a flop house or something like that when you got to?
You just see me dancing around like that.
Yeah. Where are you gonna go from here?
Dancing around.
You're gonna go be dancing around somewhere else?
Yep.
Somewhere where there won't be.
Roscoe's or somebody
over by Roscoe's or something. Do you got money to buy food?
No, it don't mean it made no difference. Somebody gonna give me some to eat.
Okay.
It's like, man, let me shut stop fucking with you, bro. I go my fucking tent. I go get my use my food stamps.
So do you have a tent out here somewhere?
What do you mean?
Do you have
Tent?
a spot that you normally stay?
I don't. Yeah.
You don't?
I
Where-
wish, that would come in good handy. Like,
Yeah.
I would probably put it somewhere. So
Well, there's people out here that give them out.
I know, but I don't like, you know what I'm saying? Like me, I don't know. I used to think about that back in the day too. I'm not from Columbus.
You're not from Columbus?
You know what I'm saying?
Okay.
And I thought about that, man, living off the land.
Yeah. Like out of the country?
You know, I mean, that's where
It's
I'm
hard
from.
though. It's hard living, man.
That's where I'm from, country.
Toledo's not country.
Some parts of it.
There's some country around there.
But yeah, some parts of it is. So that's
Yeah.
what I did. I did a lot of stuff out in the country.
Yeah.
And well, we call them suburban. So we're gonna do the suburban thing, and that's what I did. I used to have like tents and stuff, camps. All my white friends did all the job for me because that's how they knew how to do things.
Yeah.
And
Because no one ever taught you
taught
when
me
you were
how
a
to
kid.
camp and stuff like that. So
Yeah.
a lot of my black friends was not able to do that type of stuff. So
Mm-hmm.
I didn't have that. You know what I'm saying? I wasn't capable. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, well, it's not that hard to learn.
Yeah, all my
So-
all my friends was white, man. They don't want to show me how to read the way I used to. Well, I needed to find out
Really?
how to set up a tent or how
Yeah.
to start a fire.
Yeah, not a lot of like black folk did that stuff growing up.
And
I wonder if they do now.
I'm Cherokee, you know what I'm saying? So
Okay.
that'd been a totally different thing about origin. Find out who you from.
Yeah.
And, when I found out about that, that gave me the blink because my grandfather was straight Italian.
Mm-hmm.
My mom, dad, bitch ass motherfucker.
That's 11 to myself, three.
Anyway, so, but he was that gangster for real. You know what I'm saying? His name was
That's
really
11 to
that real. He was known.
Hey, ma'am, I was doing 23
Really?
goals.
All he had to do was just have a
46,
finger.
70
Shit was done.
eastbound, just east of Wilsonburg.
Yeah,
Up in Toledo?
yeah, so, you know,
I didn't know that was a big thing in Toledo. I know Youngstown was a little bit of a gangster town, but
yeah, this
I suppose they were everywhere.
always been.
Yeah.
Always been gang, man.
All right.
Since 85, 86. You know what I'm saying? There's always been Panthers, motherfucker, underneath all of us.
Mm-hmm.
It depends on what part of Panthers you from.
How long you been living on the street, man?
All my life since I was 12 years old.
Since you were 12?
Yep.
And you're not a young man anymore. What are you, 47? Yeah.
Yep.
That's a long time out on the street. Are you getting any benefits? You getting SSI or anything like that?
I don't get no
Why not?
charity. I wish. I'm going to try to probably this year.
Yeah.
Dale, wait a minute.
You got your ID and stuff?
Yes, I meant to do that today. That's what I got to do.
Do you have a case manager you work with or anything for mental health?
No. I need to find one. I need to get
Yeah.
talking to. That's what I meant to do today.
You need to call
What time is
Southeast.
it right now?
It is
bad.
about 9 a.m.
Okay, cool.
Yeah, call Southeast. Get on the
That's what I was
list.
going to do this morning, and I do appreciate that. That's my mission.
That'll help you
That's
get.
what I put.
That'll help you get a spot. But I know someone's told you this stuff before. You're 47 years old.
Yeah, my dad was when I started the PAP program.
Really?
Yeah, in Toledo, Ohio, and it went from Toledo to Dayton and Cleveland and stuff like that, and then boom, I got out of the penitentiary in Pickaway. They put me in Pickaway. You know, like I got out of Pickaway
How long were you in the penitentiary for?
for like it was about a year, but I've been on.
Okay, that's not
I've been
long.
in the joint since '97
What for?
or '95. And beat my daughter.
Really?
Yeah, from living on with a light socket, and they said, but anyway.
You caught a felony for that?
Yeah,
Felony domestic violence. Was it child abuse or just domestic violence?
It was a child abuse. It was attempted felonious assault.
Yeah.
Attempted felonious assault.
How old was your daughter at the time?
She was only 18 months.
Oh.
We was just light-skinned, black and white, mixed kid anyway. So she came up there.
That's 11-2 Victor.
She messed with my light socket. I panicked like a dumbass. I was only 17. So that's what happened when you're a kid. You know?
And they gave you real time for that? That doesn't happen very often. You alright? Your arm hurt?
Yeah, it's the pain. That's why I'm yelling too.
Okay. Do you need to go to the hospital or anything?
I was like, you ever spaz?
Yeah.
Yeah, we copy from side of Darby and
Occasionally.
Walker.
And not like that.
Oh,
I usually get them when I'm working out or something.
man. Yeah, but see, working out and doing, I mean, having spasms like this,
Mm-hmm.
it don't stop, and then this is the constant.
Okay.
It
Would you?
makes me go,
Does this happen all the time? Have you been to a doctor for it? They just told you have to deal with it?
yeah, I got MRI. I take pills for it.
Okay. Do you have all your medications that you're supposed to have? You got them somewhere? Okay.
And then she, I want to yelling too because that shit hurt like crazy.
Yeah.
And I can't do nothing about it, so I mean, of course I'm gonna just, what do you call that, vent?
Yeah.
Uh,
I got no problem with
and
people
then
venting.
certain people I did say sorry to because I'm not that type of person. Me showing you right now, man, it hurts, man.
Yeah.
It really hurts. Like it's constant. You talking about just for a muscle spasm? No, it's just like a constant. It's like to a point that it's doing like it's right now, and it keeps going. It's not like you get it for a second, a muscle spasm, and then it goes away.
Yeah, I think I've had something like that before. It's hard to describe. It is pretty painful.
Yeah.
You need a spot to go sit down and rest.
That's why that's why I like to try to dance and get the shit up.
Dancing helps.
Yes. Yes, sir.
All right. Well, you sure there's nowhere I can take you or do anything with you, bub?
I'm good. I'm trying to holler at her.
Yeah. Well, just be careful
I'm just fucking.
because people are going to keep
No.
calling in on
Hey
you.
man, I didn't you. For people that I did with me, who have tried to be disrespectful, I have said sorry. But like I said, I'm 47. I already know my rights and everything, So I'm gonna tell them it's just like I tell them, you can kiss my motherfucking ass. I don't give a fuck. I'm 47 years old.
Yeah, but you
I'm
do it in
not
a respectful
dumb.
way.
I'm not dumb, and I will not disrespect you because
No. Well, I'm not going to disrespect you, but I got to talk to
But-
you, make sure that you're good to go.
I know it, and I appreciate that, and I'm sorry for me.
You know what? There's nothing else going on this morning, so I got no problem coming out and
You
talking
know
to you.
what? Thank you, because I do.
Well, good. When you know if you need anything, Russ, you can always ask.
Mom, man, did you take care of that fucking? Yeah, you make sure I get on that.
All right.
Because I really do. I mean, I have problems, like, and right now I'm dealing with that, and my mother too now. You see what I'm saying? So that's really kind of fucking me up.
Yeah.
Excuse me for my language, but I have been raised differently.
I know your mom has a hard time dealing with you the way you
I
are.
can't stand the lady now.
She probably can't stand you either.
I won't give a fuck.
It's hard.
You know what
I
I'm
mean,
saying?
because you know what you
See,
put her
yeah,
through.
that's totally different, but she never did that ever in her damn life.
I know, but you put her through a lot, and it's
I
people
never-
reach
I
their
never
breaking
raised
point.
around her. I've never been around her.
I
You know
know.
what I'm saying? I left her when I was 12 years old.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Me coming back from Joint 97, I only been around her just
But how old is she now?
time for her to get the fuck
How-
die. Go the
how old
fuck
is she, though?
somewhere.
She in her
Go
70s?
lay down or something, yeah.
I mean,
Ain't nobody did nothing to her, though. I swear on everything.
I know,
ain't
but when
nobody
you're in
did
your
nothing to
70s,
her.
you're not going to want to deal with this kind
I
of
ain't do
stuff.
nothing to her, man.
I know, but
Me
it's
and my mother's like this.
it's still frustrating. It's still hard.
That's how frustrating it is.
I know. It's hard for her too.
And
And it breaks her heart seeing you this way.
yeah,
I promise you that.
she not understanding what I'm. That what I'm really what I was just trying to tell you. That's the only reason why I was doing it.
Yeah.
I'm being an asshole to myself because I know darn well this is
109.
spaz. I'm not getting no help for this.
Yeah.
I'm not getting no money out of it. I'm getting nothing out of it. This shit hurt.
Hey, you probably qualify for some kind of SSI or something.
I'm gonna do that.
And for housing.
I'm a trash.
Because you can lay up in your apartment and act however you want. It's when you're out here that people call on you, right? And there's a reason to call. Because even though you're pretty lucid right now, you know what's going on. A lot of people out here dancing and singing and jumping down, they don't know what's going on.
I know. That's
And
what
you've
I said,
seen
that's
them.
the whole part. That's why I was saying.
Yeah.
I said, you know what? I said, what you need to do is respect somebody. I said,
Yeah.
for me being who I am, I said, ain't nobody starting no bullcrap.
Mm-hmm.
And for me to say anything to them, I've been out of disrespect nobody out here. I'm
No.
47.
It's a lot
I know
easier that
damn
way.
well that my mental and my emotions is not something that I have to deal with for myself. You know what I'm saying? And if anything else,
Be advised on 10
I'm very,
for 43
very
days. I got it 2 different
I need to
places,
learn
5555 Laurel
south
To
and
cope with some of these things?
Coopersburg.
Well, go down southeast, talk to them, and they can
about 8 to
help
10
you with that stuff too.
herd.
Don't be
And
afraid to
then
ask for
this
help.
all male white red shirt.
Because, like,
that was
you definitely
possibly
need
involved
help,
walking
and don't
away
be afraid
from
to
the
ask for it,
cars, and
okay?
then he ran.
I do need. I mean,
Now,
I
one call says
You know there's lists that you can get
Right
on,
here, the other one
mental
says,
health, yeah.
white hoodie.
and you know the places to go and ask for it.
I was walking down the
All right,
path,
man.
the car
Um,
was about
I
to
can
move.
put it, man.
Maybe one of those two are involved. Maybe
Tell you what,
like
man, I'm going to be
5
completely honest.
so no.
My coffee's getting cold. I'm going to go drink it. All right?
Yeah.
Give me that.
Hey, yo.
I'll see you around.
All right, but yeah, I don't know who you are, man.
All right, man. I'll see you around. Yep.